Today we will be learning origami for Winnie the Pooh. We will do it step by step. Before we start, let's learn more about the truth of Winnie the Pooh. Number 1. Winnie the Pooh is a lovely bear who has yellow fur and round belly. Number 2. Winnie the Pooh is a honey-loving bear. He loves honey so much that he cannot live without it. Number 3. The book of Winnie the Pooh was published in 1926. That means, in 2021, it has been 95 years. Number 4. Winnie the Pooh is a boy, but the real Winnie was actually a female bear. Number 5. Winnie the Pooh lives in the forest surrounding the 100-acre wood. In the house, there are many honey pots. Most of the honey pots are empty because he has a big appetite. Let's start the origami. First, fold the paper in half. Then, unfold it. Fold the paper in half again. Fold the top of the paper down along the dotted line. Similarly, fold the paper from right to left along the dotted line. Repeat it for the other side. Fold the top of the paper down to meet the crease. Repeat the step for the right and left side. Fold the top of the paper down along the dotted line using the crease as a guide. This time, you don't have to unfold it. Repeat it for both left and right sides of the paper, and don't unfold it. Fold the corner part down along the dotted line to form a triangle. Repeat for the left corner. Lift up the paper, unfold the inner part and push it flat towards the outside. Repeat for the left side. Turn the paper over. Fold the bottom of the paper up along the crease. Turn the paper over again. Fold the right and left side of the paper inward along the dotted line. Then, open up the upper corner and push it outwards. Repeat to the left corner. Fold the top of the paper down along the dotted line. Fold the right corner part of the triangle down along the dotted line. Repeat to the left upper corner of the triangle. We now getting closer to fold the ears. Fold the triangle down along the dotted line. Make a small fold on each side to form the ears. Repeat to form the other ear. Turn the paper over, and then draw the eyebrows, eyes, and nose. Lastly, use a glue to keep the ears in place. However, this is optional. A cute Winnie the Pooh is here. Well done. We have to Winnie to keep each other company.